Hello, today I'm in Mercedes V Class. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, look at the lever on the left side of the steering wheel. And now, focus on the top of the lever. If you want to use front wipers once, simply press this button. If you want to enable standard modes for the front wipers, twist the top of the lever once. You can also change speed for the front wipers by twisting this top of the lever upwards. To disable front wipers, set it to 0 position. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.